শর্ট কনভারসেশন পার্ট 3। এই কনভারসেশনগুলো কয়েকবার শুনলে ইংলিশে বলার দক্ষতা বাড়বে।
Exercise 1. Asking question in present progressive tense. What plus noun as question word?
এখানে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো প্রেজেন্ট প্রোগ্রেসিভ বা কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে করা হয়েছে। কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ড হিসাবে হোয়াট প্লাস নাউন ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে।
I am reading a book.
What book are you reading?
I am reading an English story book. I am taking a computer course.
What computer course are you taking?
I am taking data. She is doing a polytechnic course.
What polytechnic course is she doing?
She is doing a civil engineering course. My mom is cooking meat.
What meat is your mom cooking?
My mom is cooking duck meat. They are buying a car.
What car are they buying?
They are buying a Tata Sumo. I am applying for a post.
What post are you applying for?
I am applying for a lecturer post. She is making jam.
What jam is she making?
She is making mango jam. Tom is drinking a cold drink.
What cold drink is she drinking?
He is drinking Coca-Cola. I am taking an antibiotic for my cold.
What antibiotic are you taking?
I am taking azithromycin. I am giving him a dictionary for his birthday.
What dictionary are you giving him?
I am giving him an advanced learner's Oxford dictionary.
Exercise 2. Asking question in present perfect tense. What plus noun as question word?
এখানে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে করা হয়েছে। কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ড হিসাবে হোয়াট প্লাস নাউন ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে।
My dad has bought a bike.
What bike has your dad bought?
He has bought a hero bike. My mom has given me a mobile phone.
What mobile phone has your mom given?
She has given me a Samsung mobile phone. Today I have seen a film on TV.
What film have you seen?
I have seen Titanic. He has bought a lottery ticket.
What lottery ticket has he brought?
He has bought a Deepavali bumper. The doctor has prescribed an ointment for my allergy.
What ointment has he prescribed?
He has prescribed calamine lotion. We have eaten fruit after breakfast.
What fruit have you eaten?
We have eaten jamun. She has made a South Indian food.
What South Indian food has she made?
She has made idli. John has used hair dye.
What hair dye has he used?
He has used Garnier Color Naturals. I have used a facial cream.
What facial cream have you used?
I have used Nivea. Tom and Bob have caught a bird.
What bird have they caught?
They have caught a moina.
Exercise 3. Asking question in simple past tense. What as question word?
এখানে কোয়েশ্চেনগুলো সিম্পল পাস্ট বা পাস্ট ইনডেফিনাইট টেন্সে করা হয়েছে। কোয়েশ্চেন ওয়ার্ড হিসাবে হোয়াট ব্যবহার করা হয়েছে।
I didn't eat samosa in the train.
What did you eat in the train?
I ate 2 boiled eggs and a cup of coffee. I didn't buy any books in the book fair.
What did you buy in the book fair?
I bought some CDs on spoken English. They didn't serve biryani at the party.
What did they serve at the party?
They served fried rice. Mom cooked a special thing for today's lunch.
What did your mom cook?
She cooked dosa. Yesterday we didn't watch the cricket match on TV.
What did you watch on TV?
We watched a documentary film on volcanoes. She didn't sing any Bengali songs at the function.
What did she sing at the function?
She sang some English songs. Everybody wore coat tie at the party except me.
What did you wear?
I wore a sweater. We went to the canteen to eat.
What did you eat in the canteen?
We ate egg roll and fruit juice. Doctor didn't prescribe any antibiotics.
What did he prescribe?
He prescribed an Ayurvedic cough syrup. Mom and Dad have bought a lot of things in the fair.
What did they buy in the fair?
They bought a lot of utensils.
Subscribe, like, share, comment. Edited by Orpan Das.
Thank you for watching the video.